was going to die.
I told you!
It's okay.
What if the thing was frozen and then we stepped on it and it broke?
Then that would make an awesome video.
Oh my lord! I don't even remember how to jump! Joe, die!
We killed Joe.
I can't go! It's gonna get in my boots, and then I'm gonna blame you! Like I gotta hold on to these so I can see! Look at the snow mound! It's a mountain of happy snow! Look, Joe's like 3 feet!
No, quit.
I do not know how to jump!
The snow pile in the middle now.
I like our snow mound! It's so cool. It's just like, it's the perfect packing snow. Like, you don't even have to do anything. I wouldn't even do anything.
I could throw Joe at you.
No, he's fat. He didn't even do anything.
Yeah.
That's something I want to do, actually. That was cool. Do it to Joe.
Okay, fair enough.
Not at me.
We're gonna punt Joe.
Punt. Kenga's like, ooh. That's kind of cool. Kenga! Kenga! I have a ball.
That
We could probably make a cool